Good evening everyone, welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today is a kind of, call it a 2.0 version, because I have done attempted dungeon tiles kind of in the past. What it was, I was kind of like experimenting when I first got my proxxon table, but from my previous video I mentioned I had some of this yellow foam. I'm not sure what kind of foam it is. Someone in the comments will text me, but will drop a comment. But it's really good quality. It's thick. It's very sturdy, and it holds its shape really well. So I figured I would kind of do a a revisit of my dungeon tiles, and you'll notice first thing, these aren't square. And I did that on purpose because I've seen on another video on YouTube that he added walls. Now these aren't going to be huge walls, they're just going to be kind of a border, if anything, just so it doesn't, obstruct the player's view. So it's maybe going to cover just half of their character. You see? And the way I did that was very simple. All I did was just use a textured rolling pin. That was my dog, apologies for that. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. These will be the start of a whole dungeon series that I'm planning on doing. And these will just be like hallway sections, so if they're transitioning from room to room. Possibly my next big video will be like a dungeon entrance. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to be rolling out all of these, but I might add some detail with cracks and stuff with a pencil and a pen. Okay, so let's get started on that. And if just like to remind you all that if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. You will never miss a thing. And I am still taking build requests. And once I get 10, I'll do a picking, planning and shout out video. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, I would like to point out that I could have just made these square, but at the time I didn't think of it. I could have obviously just made them all square, then just added the wall afterwards, but with the power of hindsight. So all I did to get these exactly the same was just cut them out on my proxxon table, but this kind of foam can be cut with a very sharp knife. If you have seen any of Bards Craft videos, you'll know that he cuts pretty much all his foam with just a sharp knife, and he gets really good straight lines. And all I'm doing here is just taking out a couple of chunks, just so it looks damaged, just so it adds to the overall look and there's more texture. I made all the borders 1/2 inch tall, but yeah, in hindsight I could have just added the walls afterwards. It would have made absolutely no difference whatsoever. The tiles themselves are roughly, I messed up on a couple, but they're all pretty much 1 inch thick. So if you are planning on adding borders afterwards, you just got to make the foam core board 1.5 inches tall. So if any of you guys has any interesting ideas for extra rooms I could add to my dungeon series, just let me know in the comments. And there we have it. They're all finished. I've decided to do a couple of larger ones just to test it out. And yeah, it turned out really well. I've just given it a wash with my homemade black wash. And yeah, it's really good. I'm really happy with the end result. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already done so, please do leave a like. And if you've got a build request, just drop a comment. And I will see you next time. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.